I dove into the deep end, cause I thought I could swim. But we break up every weekend. Was it gotta be like that? Oh, I just wanted you so bad. Playing with my mind, was that your intention? Cause I'm missing you. Cause I'm missing you.
Never know, never known anyone home me. Never know, never known anyone do you name. Never know, never known anyone home me. Never know, never known anyone do you name. Never know, never known anyone home me. Never know, never known anyone do you name. Never know, never known anyone home me. Never know, never known anyone do you name.
I dove into the deep end, cause I thought I could swim. We break up every weekend. Was it gotta be like that? Oh, I just wanted you so bad. Playing with my mind, was that your intention? Cause I'm missing you. Cause I'm missing you.
Never know, never known anyone home me. Never know, never known anyone do you name. Never know, never known.
Hola, adventure amigos.
Hey guys, we are in Guadalajara. We made the 4-hour drive this morning from Puerto Vallarta, and we're in the Centro district of Guadalajara, and we're gonna check some things out. Come along with us.
Never know, never known anyone do you name. Never know, never known anyone home me. Never know, never known anyone do you name. Never know, never known anyone home me. Never know, never known anyone do you name.
Well guys, this is our room in Guadalajara. It's at the Dali Plaza. We paid just $42 Canadian a night on booking.com, so it's a pretty nice room for that. Nice king size bed, lots of space. There's a closet with a safe and a coffee maker, but no coffee. And then the bathroom, which is pretty nice. Pretty big shower. And we have a rain shower, which I always enjoy. And it was a great stay. The only thing I would change is having a fridge in our room.
Alrighty guys, well that was a quick run through of Centro Guadalajara. Guadalajara is Mexico's second largest city with a population of 5 million. We only had one night here, so we couldn't really get it all in, but we hope to come back someday. But now, on to the next stop.
Peace.